Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove textures on Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is search up Roblox player and click on open file location. And then afterwards you find your Roblox player over here, right click on Roblox player and you should be fine open file location again, and I want you to click on it again. And then here, what you need to do next is I want you to create a new folder and just write in client settings. Alright, good. Next thing that you need to do is head over to platform content and head over to PC and then textures, after which you need to just destroy all of the folders in this folder. No, yeah, I'm not joking. Delete everything except for these DDS images. Delete. Right click if you don't know, and click on the trash can. Good. Afterwards, I want you to head over to your new folder that you have created, which you called the client settings, and then just create a new text document folder named client app settings .json. As you can see, it is still a text document. By now it should have changed to a JSON file. And what you can actually do, because I have also the same problem, which is quite convenient for you, is heading over to File Explorer options. Alright, after which you head to view and uncheck hide extensions for known file types. As you can see, it has shown us the extension, which is a text. Replace that extension to JSON and it should replace the file to a JSON file. And what you need to do now is copy the text from the link that we have shared in the description of the video. Copy all of this and paste it and click the file, click on save, and it should save the file. That is how you remove textures on Roblox. When you head over to the game, it should be gone. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.